Everyone is asking whether Alpine Wear Glasses are a hidden gem or just another online scam. Because at first glance, the ads make them look like premium, stylish, lightweight polarized sunglasses built for outdoor use, driving, and eye protection at a surprisingly low price. But once you look past the marketing, the picture becomes far less convincing. Now, before I go further, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not promoting or selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled by clever advertising. Alpine Wear Glasses are marketed as offering strong UV protection, glare reduction, and high-end durability. But when I researched the brand itself, several red flags stood out immediately. The website appears to be very new with no real brand history, no transparent company information, and no verified customer support phone number, which is unusual for any eyewear brand claiming premium quality. The product images used on the site also appear on multiple other websites under completely different brand names, which strongly suggests this is a rebranded dropshipping product rather than an original design. Even more concerning, there is no clear proof of certified UV protection, no lab reports, and no independent verification to support the safety claims being made. Similar versions of these sunglasses have previously been sold online and criticized by buyers for poor build quality, exaggerated features, and misleading protection claims. That doesn't automatically mean Alpine Wear Glasses won't function at all, but it does mean the value being promised may not match what you actually receive. The results, based on available information, point toward a generic product being marketed as something exclusive. So before ordering, it's important to weigh the lack of transparency, missing certifications, and branding concerns against the price and promises being shown in the ads. Because in cases like this, smart buyers rely on facts, not hype.